How to use the owner's money or loan account. You can easily record all the transactions in your business, whether you use your personal money to pay for business transactions or vice versa. If you use your personal cash to pay for business purchases, then you will capture the transaction in owner's money. If you use business money through the business's bank account or cash to pay for personal expenses, your owner's money account will be automatically updated once you have handled those transactions in the bank statement or business cash section. To access owner's money, click the Finance tab. In the Finance dashboard, click the Owner's Money button. Now select which owner you want to record the transactions for. You are able to load multiple owners if needed. If you would like to add a new owner, click the plus icon and enter the owner's name and surname in the pop-up that appears. If you need to edit an existing name, click the pencil icon. Please note that if the owner already has the entries against them, you aren't able to edit their name. If you would like to add a new transaction, first select which owner it is for and click the Add New button. This will bring up a pop-up box to enter the date that is on the invoice or slip. The category field is referring to what you spend the money on. It may have been stationery, or printer ink, or milk for the office. Choose from the drop-down box that lists reasons for the money moving in and out of your business. The description field allows you to add extra information. This is useful to remind you why a purchase was made or to ensure accountability between partners. Referencing your slips or invoices is helpful when you are looking back on the past transactions. Next, enter the total amount you paid. If there is only one field for the total amount and no VAT field, this is because some items are zero rated for VAT. For example, staff welfare items, cleaning materials, and petrol and oil. On all other accounts, the VAT field will be included and the system will automatically calculate the VAT for you. Your staff welfare entry is now complete. Click the OK button. You will notice that the balance has also been updated with the new transaction amount. If you have made a mistake, you are able to either delete the transaction by clicking the cross icon or edit it by clicking on the date field. This will open the transaction. To print your owner's money entries, click the PDF icon. Your report will now open in a new pop-up box. Use the toolbar on the screen to print or save it. It is important to record these transactions accurately as you must keep your personal money separate from your business money.